The role of Risk and Control Self-Assessment, RCSA, in the Operational Risk Management Framework is fundamental to enhancing an organization's ability to identify, assess, and mitigate operational risks proactively. RCSA is a process that involves the systematic review and assessment of risks and the effectiveness of controls by the individuals and teams directly involved in the business processes. We will now explore the significance of RCSA in the Operational Risk Management Framework and how it contributes to risk identification, risk assessment, risk mitigation, risk culture, and overall risk management effectiveness. Empowering frontline ownership. RCSA empowers frontline employees and process owners to take ownership of risk management within their areas of responsibility. By involving those closest to the processes in risk identification and assessment, RCSA ensures that the people with the most knowledge and understanding of the operations actively participate in the risk management process. This fosters a risk-aware culture where employees become more accountable for managing risks and protecting the organization's interests. Early identification of risks. One of the key benefits of RCSA is its ability to facilitate the early identification of risks. Frontline employees are often the first to notice changes in processes, controls, or external factors that may lead to potential risks. Through regular self-assessment and discussions, RCSA enables the timely recognition of emerging risks before they escalate into major issues. Comprehensive risk assessment. RCSA provides a comprehensive approach to risk assessment by involving multiple stakeholders with different perspectives. The involvement of frontline employees, supervisors, and managers ensures that a wide range of risks is considered, including operational, financial, reputational, and compliance-related risks. This multidimensional view enhances the organization's understanding of its risk profile and helps prioritize risks based on their significance. Assessing control effectiveness. RCSA not only identifies risks, but also assesses the effectiveness of existing controls. Through self-assessment, process owners evaluate the adequacy and efficiency of controls in mitigating identified risks. This assessment helps identify control gaps or weaknesses, enabling the organization to implement targeted improvements and enhance the overall control environment. Enhancing risk communication. RCSA promotes open communication and collaboration among different departments and teams. Regular discussions about risks and controls foster an environment where employees feel comfortable sharing risk-related information and concerns. This improved communication aids in the timely escalation of risks, allowing management to address potential issues before they lead to adverse outcomes. Supporting decision-making. The insights gained from RCSA feed into the decision-making process. Management can use the risk and control assessments to make informed decisions about resource allocation, risk treatment strategies, and operational improvements. RCSA findings can also inform the development of risk appetite statements and tolerance levels, aligning risk-taking decisions with the organization's overall risk appetite. Driving continuous improvement. RCSA supports a culture of continuous improvement in operational risk management. The self-assessment process encourages employees to identify opportunities for enhancing controls and operational processes continuously. By fostering a learning-oriented culture, RCSA facilitates the implementation of lessons learned from incidents and near misses, leading to ongoing enhancements in risk management practices. Integrating risk management into operations. RCSA integrates risk management directly into day-to-day operations. By engaging frontline employees in risk assessment, organizations ensure that risk management becomes an integral part of routine activities. This approach promotes risk consciousness at all levels of the organization, making risk management a collective responsibility. Strengthening accountability. RCSA strengthens individual accountability for managing risks. Process owners are responsible for conducting risk and control assessments and reporting on their findings. This accountability reinforces the notion that risk management is not solely the domain of a separate risk management function, but a shared responsibility across the organization. Supporting regulatory compliance. RCSA aids in meeting regulatory requirements for risk management and internal controls. Regular self-assessment and documentation of risk assessments and control effectiveness demonstrate the organization's commitment to managing operational risks proactively. Such evidence is invaluable during regulatory inspections and audits. Risk and Control Self-Assessment, RCSA, plays a vital role in the operational risk management framework of an organization. By involving frontline employees in the risk identification and assessment process, RCSA empowers individuals to take ownership of risk management and fosters a risk-aware culture. It facilitates early risk identification, enhances control effectiveness, and supports informed decision-making. Moreover, RCSA promotes communication and collaboration, driving continuous improvement in risk management practices. As a result, RCSA is an essential tool for integrating risk management directly into operations and strengthening overall risk management effectiveness within an organization.